Guys, welcome to the Nate Take. My name is Nathan, and today I'm coming at you with another car quick tip. I'm going to show you where to find and remove the spare tire on a Honda Odyssey minivan. This particular one is a 2004, but this applies to multiple different years. They tended to put the spare tire in the same location. Now, if you drive other vehicles, you may be aware that most manufacturers will put the spare tire underneath the vehicle and usually towards the back. That's the standard area. That's the way where it is on my F-150. That's where most vehicles put the spare tire. However, on this Odyssey and a lot of the newer vehicles that are coming out, it is no longer in that location. Let me go ahead and show you where it's at. Alright, so we're going to approach the van from either side, doesn't really matter, and the spare tire is actually located right here in the middle under the floor. As you can see, there's this little rug here. Pull that up, it's attached by Velcro, and you have a hatch. Hold that back. Pull this handle right here, and ta-da, there it is. Surprise, surprise. Now, it's very difficult to get out on this particular year model, but in here we have a bag to put the tire in so you don't get your vehicle dirty. Your old tire that you take off, you can put back in here. This prevents you from getting tire and other debris and dirt into the interior of your van, so that's cool. Other than that, pull out this little tray here, and there's your tire. And in order to get it off, you have this little lug nut right here. Just twist that off. Alright, and with this bolt removed, you can then lift up on the tire and pull it right out. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you did and you found the video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know if it was helpful, and like the video. Every single like counts, and I really appreciate all the interaction. So until next time, this is Nathan, signing off.